So yeah, does ageism rule? Well, I think we all know the answer to that. A big resounding yes. Doesn't matter what organisations say, it's a definite, a big yes. But don't let it fix with your mind, yeah? Let your ego go. Know that you've got to deal with it and accept it. You know you're going to be up against it, so we need to embrace the opportunity to have conversations about it and don't let it screw with your mind. Because if you do, you're going to get yourself into all sorts of problems and you're then going to turn up with negative ego, negative attitude, and you're going to have lots of problems. And in this, we need to think about, controlling the controllables. What can we control in the whole of the interview process? Our reaction to the situations. But let's try and take a bit of control over the situations. So there's a couple of things that we can do is, can you get practice being interviewed? For a lot of people that have been in jobs for many years, being interviewed is a very, sort of a new thing. Gosh, I'm going to have to talk positively about myself. I'm going to have to sell myself. Get some practice. Ask a good friend, a good colleague, or perhaps you're going for a recruitment company that they can perhaps do some mock interviews with you. So please get some practice, and also get used to perhaps having to be interviewed by an AI bot online or via video link. So get used to this, as well as being obviously interviewed by humans. That is a really important tip. Get your technique right and get some good feedback. Have some good questions for them. Don't just accept that you're there sort of like a lamb to the slaughter. Just going through the process. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, madam. No, madam. Forget all that. Come on. You've got to be... this is a business proposal. You've got to sell yourself. So have some good questions. And I think a really good question to ask people is there something that you're looking for in this role that isn't on my CV? Address the question and have some other really good questions to ask them. If you think age is a problem, have the conversation with them and say, look, is my age against me? Have the conversation in the interview. Don't wait to get the email or message or, the recruitment consultant phoning you up. Oh, we thought you were overqualified. Have this ageism conversation now. They may not feel particularly comfortable about you having it, but you need to have it. So have some great questions to ask them. Ask them what other challenges or pain points do they have in the business that you can use with your experience. Start to gather information. Don't go in there and just talk about yourself all the time. Try, if possible, and turn it around and find out exactly what they're looking for, what issues they've got, what generational issues they've got in the working environment, working remotely issues they've got. Is there conflict in the teams? Is there imbalance in the teams? Find those things and then you can talk about your experience in these areas. It's a sales process. You've got to think about you writing a business proposal. So, learn to sell yourself. Ageism rules. Have the conversations. Address it in interviews. Don't be shy of it. Don't think, I can't ask that question, can't do it this way. Have those questions. And if you want to have a chat about this in a lot more detail, please do. The second video we're going to look at next is the value that you bring. The third one is being realistic about your expectations, and the fourth one is going to be about having great knowledge and experience versus AI and digital processes. Catch you on the next one.